Other new arrival, the 1940 Dodge VC Series half-ton panel truck. I love panel trucks.
It's cool.
Panel trucks are so.
And this one allows, like, it has a blank slate.
Right.
Like, you can put any business on it on the side.
Classic Automall.
Classic Automall, yeah. Why
Or, Arbor Green and black over black, nicely restored. It's got the L-head inline 6, 3-speed manual. Great opportunity for your business.
It is.
It's a great thing you put out in front of your business or to drive around town. People think, well, you can't drive a 1940s truck around the town every day. Sure you can.
Yeah,
people did it for years and years and years.
Exactly. This one's
Suck it up, Buttercup.
This one's well sorted, as they say. It's
very well sorted.
It's really nice.
Yeah, a driver and a shower. Oh, a shower.